A very, very, very good morning, everybody. Today is on the 20th of June. Yesterday's analysis is on the screen right here. You can see this is basically what we did yesterday. Yeah, this is basically what we did yesterday. Look at this. We were looking for buys above this area 22, 23, 33. We did have a fake out over here. We did have a fake out over here on 30 minutes, but if you're using 1 hour, then you saw this was a fake out over here, right? So there was a fake out and then there was a break later on over here in this market. So the market did break above, went up, came back down and finished up. So we had a successful buy towards TP1, TP2, TP3. Very successful buys over there. And we see we've also even surpassed now the areas that we're supposed to take the safe buys over here. So all you need to do is we want this candle to close at least above that area so that we can continue doing a very nice buy added on top. The sales did not happen. They were just fake outs. You see, they were just fake outs on the sales. They did not really happen to be a very good sell. So let's see what we have today in terms of fundamentals. It's a busy day. It has some very red candles over here. Yeah? So we're going to be doing the CHF has monetary policy coming in at 11. There's the CHF as well. There's press conference. Then there's the 2 p.m. GBP has the monetary policy, the MPC official bank rate votes, and this is going to move the GBP, sorry. The GBP is going to be moved by this. So if you trade any GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP, any GBP pair, just keep an eye on this, 2 p.m. That's going to be your time. Then we have unemployment claims and billing permits and the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index as well. It's going to be coming in at 3:30 on the USD. All right, good. So yeah, let's check this. I like the way this market moves. This is a very nice move. As you can see, we had said we need a close above this area to get the safe buys. So let's look for them. Let's see how we can actually now capitalize on them very well. Okay, go over there. Do this over here. Do this over here. All right, so monthly resistance, monthly support. Yeah, true. Yeah. Okay. Go to the weeklies. Jump onto the weeklies. Going to see the weekly resistance, weekly support on this area. The daily over here, the daily resistance. The H4 over here. H4 has an area over here. You're not gonna ignore that. Of course, this was the H4 resistance. We're just breaking now. We're breaking above the H4 resistance over here. This is what we were waiting for yesterday to happen. We're just breaking above that point. Over there like that. So H4 resistance. H4, H4 support over here. Go into 1 hour. Mm-hmm. 1 hour, we have this is the resistance on this side. over there. The support is the support. Yeah, or the support. Sorry, not a resistance. Opa. Yep, this is a support, not a resistance. See, this is why I love to wait for the candle to close. You see, this is why I usually wait. It's always good to wait for the candle to close. We have a support over here on 30 minutes. 30 minutes support over there. All right, so probably we're getting these as the resistance that is there right now on 30 minutes. Getting these as the resistance on 30 minutes, so that means resistance. H4 resistance over here. All right. So basically, that is what we'll be looking at. I want to pull in a cable line array from this wick over here and see. Do we have over there? Okay. All right. Okay. What do we 15 minutes? How does it look? 15 minutes? Okay, good. All right. All right. Okay, the market is still forming. It's still forming itself. So you want to call that the 15 minutes resistance over there, but or 15 minutes support. All right, so let's see now, what are the opportunities that we may get? We may get a potential buy above this area. Potential buys above 23.45, 23.45. We head on to TP1 over here, TP2, and ultimately TP3 up here. That will be the best trades for today. Should we get this pressure? And I'm pretty sure since the USD was on holiday yesterday, so we expect at least. See this move yesterday, the market kept on doing this. It was consolidating the whole day, and this move happened overnight because the holiday was over and the USD markets, the banks were free to open today, so that's when we had these major moves over there. All right, for the South, honestly, for the South, I'm thinking we could do something below this point. Potential sales below 23, 23.30, 23.40, 23.40. Is it 40? Not 45. 23. Yeah, 340 is okay. Write it down here to take profit one. Write it down a little bit more. There's that area, there's this area over here. So this will be TP2, TP3, TP4, something like that. Short position, carry them from here, pull them down to that point, like that. All right. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at. I'm gonna be looking at that point like that. All right. Should I get a break above this point, 23.45? I'm gonna jump into the buys and take profit 1, 2, and then ultimately 3. Should we get a break below this point, 23.40, we're gonna have some very nice sales. Okay. All right, so that's how the market is. Again, keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye. We have news as well, 2 p.m. GBP, 3:30 p.m. USD. Keep an eye on that, and let's trade, and hopefully we make some profit out of this, yeah? So remember always to trade what you see, not what you think, and happy hunting, guys. Happy hunting. Have a good day.